Welcome, brewing enthusiasts. Today, we'll be discussing 5 tips to help the environment when brewing beer. Did you know that during fermentation, CO2 is produced and released into the air? Collecting and reusing that CO2 can help reduce your carbon footprint and save money. Using solar or wind power for your brewery can help reduce your energy consumption. It's a win-win for both your wallet and the environment. Sourcing local ingredients not only supports your community, but also reduces your carbon footprint. Plus, it can add unique flavors to your beer. By using standard operating procedures when cleaning and sanitizing, you can save water and chemicals. It's important to be mindful of our resources. Waste products like spent grains can be used as food for farm animals or used to make bread and crackers. It's a great way to reduce waste and give back to the community. So let's brew sustainably and do our part to help the environment. Together, we can make a difference. If you want to learn more about brewing, visit beerstories.dk or find the channel on YouTube.